Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So we're continuing with adding rational expressions. You'll notice I put a couple of factoring problems right here in the beginning because you are going to be doing some factoring of quadratic trinomials. Now we spent so much time doing this, I don't expect that to be difficult for you. Those are more just for you to try out. I'm not going to do those with you. I'm going to instead go down to number 3 and start here. So again, what are we doing? We want to add, check the denominators are the same, and they are, x plus 5, x plus 2. So we know we're going to start with, on the bottom, x plus 5, x plus 2, and then we're going to add. Now let's be careful when you add. I only have one x squared term. I have a 2x and a 3x, which makes 5x. And then over here I have a 6, so it's plus 6. So by now the adding part should be pretty straightforward. Now when I look at what I have now, I have a quadratic trinomial on the top, and it has a equal to 1. So I should try to factor this. Now, they're not always going to be factorable, but we just want to try anyway. A is 1, B is 5, C is 6. So in my magic X, where I have A times C at the top, that's going to be 1 times 6, which is 6 on the top, and I have B on the bottom, which is 5. And hopefully these numbers are pretty obvious. It's going to be 2 and 3. 2 times 3 is 6, 2 plus 3 is 5, which means that my numerator factors into, remember I'm allowed to do this cheat because A is 1, x plus 2 times x plus 3. On the bottom I still have x plus 5 and x plus 2. And then I see that I can cancel something, the x plus 2's. That gives me a final answer of x plus 3 on the top, x plus 5 on the bottom. And I don't need parentheses here because they're not multiplied by anything. So that's the general idea behind this worksheet. It's still the adding that you've been doing over the last 2 days, only this time you're going to need to do quite a bit more of that factoring trinomials that we've been working on recently. So it shouldn't be too hard, and I hope I didn't go too fast on that one. I feel like maybe I went a little fast, but you know, just pause if you need to, rewind if you need to. All right, thank you guys.